Who do you think I am, woman? Now the mall no longer feels like home. Now your friend gives me half as much foam. Someday you'll pay the price. Someday your life won't seem so nice, 'cause you're a taker, woman. You're a nasty taker.
This is going to be fun.
It was too late. Her stop had come and gone.
You okay?
Yep, sure, fine.
Do you need more popcorn?
No, I just... Bathroom.
I'll pause it.
No, don't! I want you to keep watching.
I think I can wait.
Okay, be back. Oh. Oh, is someone in the bathroom?
Yeah, Jen's mom is taking a bath. There's one upstairs right next to Jonesy's room.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm here. Got any other bathrooms?
Nope. Hope it's not number 2.
You know what, Diego? You're a little... I'll tell you later. Oh, please. Come on. What? Come
Door's
on.
a little tricky sometimes.
Oh.
Slamming it won't help. You gotta... There you go.
Thanks.
I will, but I have one condition. I ate some nuts that aren't really agreeing with me.
Nuts, you say?
To be honest, I can barely stand right now. But you are pre-med, aren't you? Do you happen to have any medicine on hand?
Whoa! Don't grab your pants!
Fight and you're guaranteed to win. Still, if you find her, watch your step and remember to stay downwind. She knows someone's targeting her, so it's not like you can rely on the element of surprise. That's pretty much it.
On their pole wins immunity, and as always, everyone else is up for elimination. Campers, pick a pole.
A hungry Emma is a bad Emma.
Want to leave their pole and have some breakfast?
Get that delicious smell away from me!
That's never eaten any roughage reacts when 30 pounds of it is suddenly introduced.
Don't get your hopes up, Sam. We Foleys can handle anything. And we'll talk about it more right after I hit a restroom. He's in there!
Do you have any ginseng tea? It's my favorite.
Hey, stomach, be quiet, all right? I'm trying to find us some food.
Not ratting me out.
I'll take you to my house and feed your ostrich horse for you. Come on, I owe you.
So this is what they mean when they say, there were warning signs.
Yeah, you sleep better if you don't watch. Hey, what's wrong? You hungry, babe?
Starving. She ever gonna feed me?
Hard to say.
Anyone enjoying my special brand pancakes?
Yep.
What's that?
He hasn't done anything to me. Well, those brand pancakes really did their job. Dibs on the big bathroom.
I got the upstairs.
Oh man, I'm stuck with the guest bathroom. You hear that, Rex? We're going to Pepe's Lagoon! None of you believed me, but I called it. Prego!
She put a lot of bad things in her body. I hope the baby's healthy.
will flash us into the cutest little bastard love child ever!
You can all bite me! Shoot you! I just flew in from Ulsan, and boy, are my arms dying! Humdinger!
I heard that. You must be hungry. Here, I brought you some curry.
No way! How'd you find this place?
Oh, sorry. I followed your footsteps.
What's for boring dinner?
Boring roast boar.
Well, I'm not bored. I'm starved.
You guys are boring.
Man, I need food. And you two need some excitement in your lives.
Dive!
Release depth charge.
It's attacking the Japanese food I had earlier! Don't say I didn't warn you, Cosmo!
Wanda? Some food?
Oh, no thanks. I already ate!
This is real mystic and all, but do you have anything to eat here? I see.